A great day to go shopping, Lily. Tata, play with me. No, Pony, not now. Yum, cake. No, Pony, don't touch. But I want cake. No, Pony. No fail. We need to go shopping. Get in the car. But I don't want to go shopping. Get in the car now, Pony. Fine. I want to go to the park. No, Pony. No fail. Wheel heel.
Hello, welcome to Food Mart.
Hello.
If you need any help, just ask.
Okay. Tata, look, ice cream. I want some. No, Pony. Huh. That would be $20. Okay. Thank you and have a great day. Okay, bye. No, Pony. Fine. I want to play basketball. No, Pony. Why? 'Cause. Wait till Pony. Fine. Everybody get ready. Taking her so long. I'm gonna go in. Happy birthday, Pony!
Surprise! Oh. Surprise! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Pony. Happy birthday to you.
Blow out the candles. Yay! Now we get to eat cake.
Yay!